home buyers and sellers to do meticulous research and to be well informed when trading in the current economic climate. The South African property market has been steadily increasing despite an interest rate hiking cycle that we're in, but experts say things are not looking great.
The South African property market is holding on steadily. This despite diminishing buying power of assets by consumers. Since the 2008 bubble burst in the economy, the property market has remained flat. Residential property transactions have increased by 8.3% from 2014 to 2015. The undervalued rand and a low GDP growth remain a great concern.
The economic environment is nothing spectacular, and that means that the property market, we're not expecting anything spectacular positively to happen. We also don't expect it to crash completely, but things will cruise along, and it looks like property prices have started to lose a bit of steam. At a national level, you shouldn't assume that property is continually growing and doing very well. I think there are pockets of the country that's doing really well, and it's now very necessary for consumers to educate themselves.
50% of residential properties are located in the Western Cape and Gauteng, accounting for more than 2/3 of the total residential market value. According to Lightstone Properties, the housing market in Johannesburg remains stable, while Cape Town is showing stronger growth than all other metros. This has been attributed partly to Gauteng homeowners increasingly choosing the Western Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Banks say they are bracing themselves for increased funding costs. This will likely put pressure on credit behavior and affordability.
We had prime rate staying for a very long time on 8.5%. And so that meant that over time, all of us, households, basically got used to that. So no one actually really sort of thought about it that rates could increase. You get kind of conditioned into a certain way. And then when rates start to increase, then it's sort of a bit of a surprise, and you have to then adjust quickly.
Property experts believe a positive turnaround in the economy could stabilize the property market by the third quarter. But if the economy faces more negativity, property price growth will be subdued. Nomoto Solwandle, SABC News, Paarl in the Western Cape.